And then the music started, and then these mridangs, they're doing somersaults, and yeah, and oh, and I could just hear it. मैं कहा देखूं जब तुझे देखना है मेरे को बैठा रहा. It took a while, and then they brought me in, and the whole place was like, oh. मैं कहा चलो यार कुछ इंपॉर्टेंस मिल रही है ससुराल में आके.
अब लग रहा है शादी हो रही है.
फिर मुझे वहां बैठा दिया उसने ऐसे, और मेरे को चादर से कवर कर दिया. अभी मुझे खुजली भी हो तो मुझे उसको बताना है कि कान में खुजली हो रही है. He'll do this. तो कहीं लेफ्ट में नहीं राइट में हो रही है. He'll do this. They make your mom sit right in front of you outside the mandap. तुम्हारी माँ तुम्हारे सामने बैठती है. You have to keep, so you can't look anywhere. You keep looking at your mother.
और the tulsi.
और the तुलसी. तुलसी होती है आग नहीं होती. तुलसी के फेरे होते हैं.
अच्छा.
और फेरे सिर्फ लड़की लेती है. I was God that day. I was Vishnu or whatever it was. And मेरी माँ हंसे और रोए. मैं कहा अपनी किस्मत को हंस रही है, किस्मत को रो रही है. But she was very ecstatic. And then while all this ceremony started, you know, ये हो गया. मैं ऐसे करके बैठा रहा. कोई थोड़ा सा भी ऐसे होता तो ऐसे कर देता. थोड़ा सा हाथ ऐसे होता वो ऐसे कर देता. It was like, you know, you can't move.
कितने घंटों तक ऐसे बैठे रहे?
दो घंटे.
And we lessen the time, huh?
अब lessen the time for me. और फिर एक सनसनी सी हो गई पूरे उसमें. Everybody was going like that, and I'm sitting like this. क्या हो गया? फिर then I realized she is coming in. Then she comes, and I'd also not seen her like that. And she came, and I was like, I looked at her like that. She started smiling, and I was like, don't laugh. इसको बहुत डांट पड़ी उस दिन. Because she was like.
I was
You're
finding
also
it.
not supposed to move, is
No,
You have to be serious.
I have to be very serious, but मैं कैसे I can't stop so my dad sent people, like I think my brother came.
Yeah.
Just don't laugh.
Don't laugh. It's your marriage. What kind of person are you? What kind of girl are you? Then I stopped looking at her. मैं तो नहीं देखूंगा.
And मैं सबको देख रही हूँ कौन आया है, कौन नहीं आया
She's
है.
making me laugh also.
He was like sitting so still, like, you know, very nice groom, and मुझे हंसी आ रही थी उसको देख के because he can't sit still.
Yeah.
He's a very fidgety person.
And then there is a lady guiding her also. Through the fairas, she has to go like this.
She was directing.
Every step, she's doing it in front of her, so she does it properly. And I could hear the whole time she's going, whatever she's saying in Manipuri, I didn't understand. But she was saying, don't be a schmuck. Do it properly. Move like this. I could hear that intonation. And that Fairan or what was that? That Potloi was so heavy.
Yeah.
I was thinking, ये कैसे चल रही है? And then they put a thing behind her. She has to take Fairas. She has to throw flowers on my face. And she's hitting my face. And she was scolding him to do it properly. So I was a good Methi groom.
Yeah.
I don't know whether she was a good Methi bride or not. I can say that with a guarantee. I didn't have to do much.
छोटा कुछ होने वाला है because he didn't know the ritual. Actually, our wedding is full of rituals from morning to night. पूरा ritual है. Even after that, also you फेरा.
Yeah,
also
so
we had to
फेरा
do.
वेरा उसका हुआ. उसके बाद I come back and then I was so stiff. My friend Jay was massaging my back, my legs. और जो players होते हैं वहाँ पे, her father, her brother, Midang players, they're all there. And then I have to do a full-on push-up namaskar without the thing falling. So I was like, you know, I said, thank God.
The turban can't fall.
It can't fall. So you have to go really down, but you have to keep your head up and all that.
So you show
that's
respect
when,
to the whole entire.
So I had to bow
I
down.
wish I was invited.
I
for
was doing
wedding.
this namaskar to her brother, her father, and the Vidang players and all that. But it was, I am so thinking, itni achhi ceremony. The venue was so beautifully decorated. It was so tastefully done. She was in the details of that. Her friends helped her a lot. So it was a really well organized. And my parents were in awe. यार इतने civilized लोग हैं ये.